Climb inside the 2009 Ford Fusion. With just over 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as speed-sensitive wipers, a leather steering wheel, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.